Hello, so this video is about an unboxing of the mini album Challenger of JO1. Whoa! Welcome! So here you can see the album. I bought the B version, so it's CD and photo book. Now I'll open it. So from the website I bought it, there was like you could choose a bonus, and I bought the album with the Subaru Shine bonus, so I think this is it. It's a card of him. He's my favorite member of JO1, so I wanted just a bonus with him. It's a card. Looks very cute. I hope you can see it well. Here it is what it looks like. So here's the front. Then there's the back of the album. Just open it. There are the songs, so Born to Be Wild, Get Inside Me, Design. And I don't know, I'm very sorry the name of it because it's Japanese, but it was a song. You can watch it on Countdown, so it's very good too. Now this is the front. This was here the back. This is the CD, the front of the CD. I like it very much, so that they are working here and it looks very good. Then there's the CD here. So Challenger JO1, the Pone Entertainment, so that's their entertainment, their label. The back is like this. It's almost the same. Then you have this, just open it. Oh, you got something like this? I didn't know that, I'm sorry. It's Ren, so this is a card. He looks so good on it, and also I don't want to be like, oh my god, I got him, but I think he's one of the most famous and popular members, so I am very happy that I got him, and he looks so good on the card. Then here, get this out. There are the lyrics, I think. And I got a card, and it's from Tag Me. I didn't know there was a card, so I'm very happy. And he's also very cute on it. That's the back. Challenger, and yes. Then here, the lyrics. So the title track is Born to Be Wild. It's very good. You can watch it on YouTube too. And here, some pictures. Here my bias, or my favorite, I don't know if you call it bias, with Japanese groups. The photos are very cute, and also the concept is cool. Here's the back. So then there is, because I bought the B version, so you could also have bought like the regular version. There's just CD and like this, I think, but when you buy the A or B version, you get a CD, a DVD or photo book, so I bought the B version with a photo book. So yeah, I like him. Also, he's my favorite Aftershine, so the photos are very good, so very, like, they focus good on the members, so you can see them well. Yonki, so cute. Mame and Kaigo and Cheyenne, whoa! And Show, the leader. Oh, he looks so cute here. Oh, this picture, it looks so cool. Group photo, and the quality of the photos is so good, so I'm very happy I bought this album, and I'm not disappointed. The colors are good. The photos came out very well. Like, I also think they got better at posing, like, with every photo shoot, because the photos are very good. There are some bright colors, so the clothes are very bright. Oh, he's so cute. Okay. It's good that they have different groups, so not always the same one. Oh, he's so handsome and cute. And yes, it's very beautiful, the photo book. Then, so, you saw all. And yeah, this was the unboxing. I hope you enjoyed watching it, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye! Thank you for watching.